Have you ever wondered how businesses seamlessly send and receive money across borders? It's a complex process, but there are platforms that make it simple. Today, we're diving into one such platform, Airwallex. Imagine you're an e-commerce business in Nigeria, selling your products to customers in Australia. How do you ensure your customers pay in their local currency, Australian dollars, while you receive the funds in Nigerian naira? This is where Airwallex comes into play. What is Airwallex? Airwallex is a global financial infrastructure platform that enables businesses to move money, collect payments, and manage currency risk across borders. It's like a financial superhighway for businesses, connecting them to customers and suppliers worldwide. Key features of Airwallex. Global accounts. Airwallex provides you with local bank accounts in multiple currencies. This means you can receive payments directly from customers in their local currency, eliminating the need for currency conversion fees. Cross-border payments. Sending money overseas is as easy as making a domestic transfer. Airwallex handles all the complexities of currency exchange and international regulations. Multi-currency wallets. You can hold and manage multiple currencies in your Airwallex account. This helps you hedge against currency fluctuations and optimize your cash flow. API integration. Airwallex offers a robust API that allows you to seamlessly integrate its services into your existing business systems. This means you can automate payment processes and streamline your operations. How does Airwallex work? Sign up, create an Airwallex account, and provide the necessary documentation. Open global accounts, choose the currencies you need, and open corresponding bank accounts. Receive payments, share your bank account details with customers, and they can pay directly into your account. Manage funds, view your transaction history, check your balances, and convert currencies as needed. Make payments, send money to suppliers or vendors in their preferred currency. Benefits of using Airwallex. Reduced costs. Airwallex offers competitive exchange rates and lower transaction fees compared to traditional banking methods. Faster payments. Transactions are typically processed within 24 hours, ensuring you receive your funds quickly. Simplified compliance. Airwallex handles all the regulatory requirements, saving you time and effort. Enhanced security. Your funds and data are protected by advanced security measures. Real-world example. Let's revisit our e-commerce business. When an Australian customer places an order, they can pay in AUD directly to your Airwallex account. Airwallex then converts the AUD to Naira and deposits the funds into your Nigerian bank account. This eliminates the need for manual currency conversions and reduces the risk of foreign exchange losses. Airwallex is a powerful tool for businesses that operate internationally. By providing a seamless and efficient way to manage cross-border payments, Airwallex helps businesses grow and succeed in the global marketplace. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or want to learn more about Airwallex, leave a comment below. Until next time.